Hello dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how to crochet wonderful house slippers. But before the video starts, please like and subscribe to my channel. I bought the soles for house slippers in a store. The sole label is on your screen. The yarn I used was 100% super soft polyester. Yarn labels are also on your screen. I'm starting to knit. I take hook number 4. I knitted 6 stitches along these holes in the sole, and now, without decreasing, I have to knit with single crochets. It is better to use single crochets, as the knitting will be more elastic. When we have knitted 6 stitches, we make 1 chain stitch and turn the knitting. After this, we knit a stitch into the first loop and knit further. Once I've knitted 6 rows, I'll change the yarn color to brown. For the pattern I need 6 rows of white, 6 rows of blue, and 6 rows of brown yarn. I've already knitted 5, I'm knitting a chain stitch again, then I'm twisting our knitting, and here, in the very first one, I'm knitting and I need 6 stitches. I do not knit the 6th stitch completely. This is necessary to change the color of the yarn to brown. We continue to crochet as I told you. And you get cute house slippers. Goodbye. Like, subscribe to my channel, and write comments.